Hi, I'm Scott Myers.
And I'm Scott Levin.
We're the founders of the SCOTTLOCK.
Today we're going to do a quick video showing you how to install the SCOTTLOCK as a truck gun.
Okay, what I did first was I looped the chain around a steel bar that's in the truck to help support the seat. Anything that's permanently affixed to the car will work. After I got the chain placed under the seat, I make sure my rifle's on safe. I make sure that there's no round in the chamber. I load my mag. My gun's now patrol ready. I'm going to take the chain, loop it through itself, and place it on the back of the lock. I place my gun over the lock. I put the top on, and I secure it. And now we have a truck gun. Okay, this concludes another video. If you have any other questions, go to our website.
www.scottlockusa.com.
Good girl, Bailey.